If your team is spending more time fixing legacy software issues than doing actual work, that's not normal. That's a ticking legacy time bomb, and it will lead you to bankruptcy. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. You can wait and see what happens. Because legacy software doesn't kill businesses overnight. It slowly makes them irrelevant. Slower releases, higher costs, missed opportunities. While you're holding on to outdated software, your competitors are moving faster, spending less, and scaling smarter, powered by AI at 10x speed. By the time most teams react, they're already too late. If you're still unsure where your legacy app or software stands, here are 5 signs you're overdue for modernization. Sign 1. Outdated systems are slowing your business down. Slow load times, manual workarounds, processes that take hours instead of minutes. If your team is working around your software instead of with it, that's lost productivity every single day. Sign 2. Maintenance costs are draining your IT budget. Legacy systems don't get cheaper over time. They get more expensive. Patches, workarounds, and emergency fixes quietly eat 60 to 80% of IT budgets that should be going toward growth. Sign 3. Security and compliance risks are rising. Old software means old vulnerabilities. Unpatched systems are the #1 entry point for cyber attacks, and regulators aren't waiting for you to catch up. Want a full breakdown of modernization approaches and best practices? We've covered everything in our Legacy Software Modernization Guide, link in the description. Sign 4. No internal expertise left to support the codebase. When the only people who understood the system have moved on and nobody wants to touch it, you're not running software. You're sitting on a time bomb. Sign 5. You're afraid of what happens if it breaks. If a system failure could shut down your operations overnight and you have no clear recovery plan, that fear is a sign. Fragile systems don't last. They fail at the worst possible moment. If these signs felt familiar, don't push this to later. Fix it while you still have the advantage. At Excellent Web World, we've helped businesses across industries migrate, modernize, and future-proof their software without disrupting day-to-day operations. Get in touch with our experts to modernize your legacy business today.